Our customers are always looking for alternative ways to power their RV. Usual outlets like TT30 or 1450 aren't always available everywhere. Depending on where they are staying, they explore to find what outlets are available. While a lot of outlets do work with RVs, there are some that will never work. First, let's understand what voltage RVs operate at. All RVs use and are wired for 125 volts, which means you need a 125 volt power source. Something that is often misunderstood is that power sources rated as 125/250 volts will in fact work with RVs. Your 50 amp RV plugs are even rated that way. That doesn't mean your RV is running at 250 volts ever. It just means that you'll have one leg of 125 volts operating one half of your RV breaker panel, while the other leg of the 125 volts will operate the other half of your breaker panel. In this example, 125/250 volts means we're working with 4 wires, 2 hots, a neutral, and a ground. This means it can basically run as 2 circuits of 125 volts. The outlets you can never use to power your RV are 250 volt outlets. These are wired with 2 hots and a ground. We often get customers trying to use NEMA L6-30 or NEMA 650 outlets for their RVs. This is not possible. There is no way to adapt those outlets to run at 125 volts. It will only operate at 250 volts because of the way they are wired. Again, with 2 hots and a ground. Because there is no neutral, they can't be adapted to run at 125 volts. Customers have also tried to use NEMA 620 outlets for their 30 amp RVs that use TT30 plugs. Again, you cannot adapt between these two, even though TT30 does have a neutral. There is still a major wiring difference between the two that won't allow this to work. TT30 is wired for 125 volt usage only, with a hot, neutral, and ground. 620 is wired for 250 volts use only, with 2 hots and a ground. There is no way to adapt between the two because of these wiring differences. If you have any questions, leave a comment below or get in touch with us. Please be sure to give us a like and subscribe if you found this helpful and are interested in similar topics. At AC Works, we have many different power solutions available. Thanks for watching.